I never wanted you so bad. I never knew I love you till I do. 'Cause you're my emotion. Yes, you do. You take pride, right? Being with you is so nice. I am so blessed that you are in my life. All in my massive cool sing. Take me to the 19th, let's go. I lost a good friend of mine. His name is Nadine English. And I know you know the song, you're gonna sing along with me, right? Meet me at a party. You and your Nadine English, respect.
Rolling in the drop top, cruising in the Benz. Jumping around the long top, knocking with your friends. Baby, when you first stop, I take you to the end. Bedroom excitement. Up on the million, make up my shillings and pence. Girls be screaming at the excitement. Me are the only thing in the girls resident. That's why me stand for dominant. But when I'm saying, you can meet me at the party. You can bring your shirt.
Everybody, sing that.
Party's going on.
Let me hear the crowd. Meet me at the party. You and your shawty. Driving at your body. Party's going on like that. Ooh, 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 wicked and wild. Are we okay? Hold on. I have to share with the audience them this is a drama here. I know the man thinks say, I'm because I'm the cute and I'm the cute. But now I don't like you. So baby face. So I write the song Baby Face. But he thought that he was so important. So, ow. But guess what? He gave me a classic hit tune. So I'm thankful. Give it up for the dude. Give it up for the person that it's with. Take it seriously. Let's go. May I sing my song Baby Face for you? Alright, let's go. club. Turn your lights down low and pull your window curtain. Oh, let your moon come shining in into our life again. Oh, I wanna give you some love. I wanna give you some good, good loving. I wanna give you some good, good loving. 'Cause this is what my baby said. You got a cute baby face. This is what my baby says. Yeah, 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 yeah. My tribute tonight, it means a lot to me. It's 45 years I'm celebrating this year. 45 years. Where did the time go? But a woman that was very instrumental in my development as a singer was Nana Rita Marley. I will never forget when her children, when she could afford to send them to classical music training and voice training and everything, and she never said no to me. She looked at my father and she said, Mr. Sutherland, because that's how she addressed my dad, bring Nadine every Tuesday and Thursday. I did classical voice training and I did piano, and Mrs. Marley paid for it. Right? Along with her children, and with everything, she has never ever, while I was with Tough Gang, she has never ever tried to deny my development in anything. So when my tribute tonight is for her, I think this is her biggest hit. This is one of my favorite reggae songs in general. I don't really smoke weed, you know, but the song's sweet. Yeah. Let's go.
She active body.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Action. So we love the big girl and pull up. Oh yeah. Action. Not a bagama. So we love the big girl and broke out. Action. Not a bagama. So we love the big girl and go to my girl. You think you're so fine. Speech on the work, camera, watch the time. Stop playing with the mind. Woman, no, we're not doing what you will want to. You know what you're like. But the words are talking in the thunder. And now I want you home. I told you, kiss the shit I give one. Action. Not a baba. Yes. Go on. Action. Not a baba. Love you, make the girl in the club. I need selection, tender satisfaction. My chemistry's full and I need selection, tender satisfaction. My chemistry's full. Can you know the mix? Love you, say I'm say, say, oh, I know what everything, everybody, go to the one. Action. So we action. So we, ladies and gentlemen, we gotta give it up to my dancer, Miss Yvonne. Young lady, I don't know your name. What's your name? What are you doing? My name is Kiana. You know what? Kiana. Sugar Kiana. Alright, you're gonna jump with me right now. Come and go straight to bedroom, buddy. Alright? 1, 2, 1. Jump with me, Kiana. Woman, I want a man to make me feel